Hello class, so you're going to learn how to code with a program that I've chose called Tinker, and let me show you how that's going to work. So today we're going to actually be creating and customize a dragon avatar. We're going to be using blocks to solve problems, apply conditional logic, and combine loops with conditional logic. You're going to be also introduced through Tinker through moving the actor forward, making the actor move up, making the actor eat objects. There's also other coding blocks that make the actor destroy objects, make the actor move down, make the actor face the opposite direction. And you're also going to be learning a little bit about repeating and looping blocks. So the very first stage out of 16 that you'll be expected to accomplish is called, it's with a forward block. So this block actually makes the dragon continuously move straight in the direction it's facing. Once the direction runs in an obstacle, guess what it's going to do? It's going to stop moving forward. There's the fly up block. Sometimes the dragon will need to fly upwards to reach the treasure. So you're going to use the block to reach new heights with that fly up block. As you can see on the right hand side of the page, that's what they mean, is they're going to move them up. Once the dragon runs into an obstacle, it will stop flying. You're going to learn the go down block. This block makes the dragon move in the downward direction. You should use this block to make the dragon lower or reach lower platforms. The turnaround block, if the dragon needs to face the opposite direction, use the turnaround block. You can think of a situation, or can you think of a situation when the dragon might need to turn around? The repeat block. If you notice a pattern in your code, you should use a repeat block. You can change the number of times you want to repeat the code inside the loop. And how to defeat the knights. So this is it. So this is the main thing that we're going to be doing. It's how to defeat the knights. We're going to eat the flies and blast the knights. So that's just a short video. So at this point, I want to see what you can do. I'll be around to help you if you have any questions.